Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Zendesk for streamlined customer workflows, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing the Zendesk website. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the Admin Center, found on the left sidebar. Click on the Channels option to expand it. Select API from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to find the Subscriptions section. Click on the Manage Subscriptions button. Choose Add Subscription to initiate the process. In the new form, enter the required details for your subscription. Provide a name that clearly identifies this subscription. Specify the frequency of notifications for updates or changes. Input the endpoint URL where notifications will be sent. Make sure the endpoint is secure and capable of handling incoming requests. Review the settings to ensure everything is correct. Click the Create Subscription button to finalize the process. You will see a confirmation message indicating that the subscription has been successfully created. Go back to the Manage Subscriptions section to view your active subscriptions. Monitor your subscriptions regularly to ensure they are functioning as expected. Make adjustments to settings as necessary for improved workflow efficiency. This process helps in streamlining customer workflows effectively using Zendesk. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.